Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you're watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen flickering problem after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is restart your iPhone. So just simply go to settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it. Now you can see many options. Just go to the bottom and here you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding, you can turn it off your device and then turn it on back to fix your problem. So guys, I hope so. If the solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update to the iOS. So just simply go to the settings here. Here you can see general and now you can see software update. Tap on it. So wait for a few seconds, checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So guys, if this solution is not working, then we move to another is adjust your brightness. So just simply go to settings here. Here you can see display and brightness and just go to the brightness. So increase and decrease to fix your problem. Adjust it on your way. So just simply go to back, and if the solution is not working, then we move to another is disable auto brightness. So just simply go to settings here, display and brightness, tap on it. Here you can see automatic, turn it on and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off back to fix your problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset all settings. So just simply go to settings here, go to general and go to bottom, and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset, tap on it, and now you can see reset all settings. Tap on it, enter your passcode. So you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So if all this solution is not working, then we move to another is contact to the nearest Apple store to fix your hardware issue. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.